What if I told you you can start content creation today, build a successful YouTube channel, make money online, and never show your face? Ever. This is a very good way of starting content creation and making money online because you don't need any camera, no expensive setup, and no awkward recording. All you need is just a smart strategy and the right tools. In this video, I will help you understand and show you step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. This simply means a channel where you never appear on camera or you never show your face. Instead, you make use of things like voiceover, stock footages, animations, screen recordings, or AI generated content to be able to create your videos. Some of the biggest channels in YouTube are faceless and they generate thousands of dollars every month. For example, here is a simple channel which shows only stick figure animations known as Productive Peter, and they are making millions of views every single month. I've actually shown you how to create this type of simple animations like this for free. The link will be in the description. And here is another example of a channel which is blowing up in this space. And they are creating just simple, these hand-drawn animations, as you can see, whiteboard hand-drawn animations. I've also shown you how to create this totally for free. The link to that video is going to be in the description. So you don't have any excuse for you not to start. After watching this video, you should take action and start creating your own channel. And in the next step, I will show you the most important decision that can make or break your YouTube channel. This is where most people fail. Don't just pick a random niche. Pick something that people are actually searching for. Videos here can be created without you showing your face. It has monetization potentials. Now, as you are choosing your niche, I want you to know that there are two types of niches you need to understand. That is the trendy niche and the evergreen niches. In the case of trendy niches, videos under this niche are important only for a particular period of time. The advantage of trending niches is that they get fast views, quick growth, and can go viral easily. But here is the downside. Trending niches can die fast, but don't worry, later I will give you an idea of how you can increase your growth potentials no matter the niche you choose. Examples of trendy niches is usually celebrity updates. For example, if you create a video about a particular celebrity that is trending for a particular period of time, that video is only going to trend for that period of time. And after a long period of time, that video will no more be relevant to the viewers. In the case of evergreen niches, videos under this niche are important all the time. For example, if you create a video about how to lose weight, after the next 50 years, that video will still be important to anyone watching it. The disadvantage here is that these niches grow slowly, and the advantage is that they are stable and they have long-term growth potentials. Now, the smart idea you can use to increase your growth and success potentials, no matter the niche you choose, is by combining both the trendy niche and the evergreen niche together. That is, use trendy topics to grow fast and evergreen content to build long-term channel. If at this particular point of the video and no niche idea is coming to your head, here are some good faceless YouTube niches you can choose from: health, finance, relationship, and technology. Just go with one of these niches that you are interested in and start creating videos about it. Now, here is an important tip for you. Before you choose any niche, go to YouTube, search your idea, and see if channels already exist and are getting views in that particular niche. This does not only let you know other channels are successful, but it also lets you know people are interested in that particular niche. And this will help you to validate your idea so you don't waste your time in creating something that people are not interested in. Now that you understand this strategy, Let's move to the exact system you will use to create your videos. So yeah, you will actually need some tools. These tools are here to help transform your idea into finished videos which are engaging and which you can start posting. So now I will talk about the tools and how you can actually create the videos. A simple faceless video has three parts that you have to accomplish to have a complete video. You have the script, the voiceover, and the visuals. Step one, the script. You can actually use any text AI based model for this, or you can actually write it on your own. Now, your video should follow this simple format: the hook, your value of your content, the conclusion, and a possible call to action. Step two, the voiceover. You can actually record your own voice, or you can still use AI based models to do voiceover, such as ChatGPT, 11 Labs. I'll link a video in the description where I talk about free AI tools you can use to do unlimited voiceover with. Step three, you have your visuals. This is how you represent your videos visually. And this is a very important step in Faceless YouTube channel. This is because if your visuals is poorly represented, then viewers will tend to see that video as a bad video. So pay attention to this. Now, this section is going to totally depend on you how you want to represent your video. But I'll advise you stick to one form. Maybe do you want to go with the whiteboard animation style? Do you want to go with the stick figure animation style? Or do you want to just use stock footages? Or do you want to record your screen? Just go with what you want and you start creating your videos. Another important point is you can actually do a research. At the point of your research, you have to see other channels which are already successful in your space. You can model from them and try to see what they are doing, how they are representing their visuals, and you take that into consideration when you are starting your own. But most successful channel in this space usually go with the whiteboard animation style or the stick figure style. So if you already have tools like the whiteboard animation software or you have Canva, then you are already ahead of 90% of beginners. I have already created a video where I show you how to create stick figure animations and whiteboard animations in Canva. Link will be in the description. But now, once the tools and the content creation strategy is set up, most people will still mess up with their editing. And this is the most important part. Now, after you have decided on your tools and your content strategy, which we have talked about earlier, editing is what makes your video engaging and makes it stand out from your competitors. You don't need a powerful laptop to start. Just focus on these things that I'm going to mention now. Clean cuts, matching visuals with your script, adding simple transition, adding background music. Keep it simple at the beginning. Consistency beats perfection. So now, what if you go all through that stress, all the stress, and at the end, nobody clicks or watch your video? That is very painful. So follow closely. After your video is ready and you have actually posted it, there's one thing that will determine whether people will actually even click that video to watch it. That is your thumbnail and your titles. That is what is going to actually determine if people are going to click your video or view it. This is usually known as your click-through rate. So if you want to increase your click-through rate and get more views, click the video that is showing right now on your screen and learn how to craft high converting titles and thumbnails that will increase your click-through rate.